Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple, spicy Calabrian pepper sausage. Now you can use either pork, chicken, turkey, or whatever meat you prefer. Now we'll first get started by crushing some fennel seeds and anise seeds. They're really sweet, fragrant, and they're going to add a lot of flavor into the sausage. I'm using my mortar and pestle for this, but before I own this, I just put the whole spices between two pieces of paper towel and just smashed it with a heavy pan or a rolling pin. Basic idea is you want to break it down so that it's not whole anymore, but you don't want it to be ground too fine. You want some of that texture in the sausage. Then in my bowl here, I'm gonna add in my meat. I'm using chicken here, and then your ground anise and fennel seeds, chopped up Calabrian peppers, green chilies, a bit of honey, salt and pepper, and a little bit of water just to help get the sausage together. Now when I say sausage, you might be thinking like in a bun, like at the game, let's say, but this is not that kind of a sausage. The only difference between that and what we're making today is that sausage is in a case. If you put this sausage in a case, you'll have the same thing. Now hot Calabrian peppers are something really special and really enjoy their unique flavor. It's sweet and spicy at the same time, and it's not something too strong. It's a really nice subtle addition to the sausage, and the green chilies are for that spike in the heat. Now all you have to do is mix it all together. I use a spatula, you can use the hands if you want, and if you're making a large batch and have a mixer, like a stand mixer, you can use that as well. And there's just so much you can do with it. Like for instance, once that sausage is ready, you can make a delicious breakfast sandwich, or you can make a baked pasta or a creamy version with orecchiette. And if you like how easy this sausage is to prepare and how this pasta is looking, then be sure to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now when I made this batch of sausage, I actually used it for a really nice spicy penne pasta. And to cook the actual sausage, I just sauteed it with some oil, onions, garlic, and then added some passata or tomato puree. And I had a really nice sauce to which all I had to do was add some penne and some fresh parmesan and a bit of basil. And just a really nice wholesome dinner, which is ready really quickly, especially if you have some sauce already prepared or if you have some stored already in the freezer, which is going to be really convenient to plan your meals. And by the way, if you notice that Instant Pot back there, I'm actually experimenting on an Instant Pot version for black-eyed peas or Punjabi lobia. You can check out the stovetop method in the description box down below. Hit thumbs up if you want to see the recipe, and all the other dishes that I did mention on this video, I'll link those in the description box as well. Hit subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want to see more videos just like this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.